So now we are doing our exercise A. Tick and write the correct answer. First, the farmer was fill in the blank his field. A. Digging. B. Plugging. C. Seeding. Our correct option is B. Plugging. The farmer was plugging his field. Second, the king could not blank the meaning of farmer saying. A option is understand, B option is solve, C option is play. Our correct option is A. Understand. The king could not understand the meaning of farmer saying. Third, the king was very blank to hear the farmer's answer. A. Annoyed. B. Pleased. C. Sad. Our correct option is B. Pleased. Fourth, the minister gave the farmer 100 coins. A option is 1, B option is 2, C option is 3. Our correct option is A. 1. Five, the farmer bowed before the with great respect. Our A option is king, B option is queen, C option is minister. Correct option is A. King. 6. The king asked the riddle to his A. Sons, B. Ministers, C. Queens. Correct option is B. Ministers. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks. First, the farmer bowed to the king with great respect. Second, the king didn't understand what farmer meant. Third, the minister got the answer to the king's riddle. Fourth, the farmer showed the king a bag with 100 gold coins. 5. A farmer lived in Baghdad long time ago. Exercise E. Answer the following question in writing. Question first. What was the farmer doing and what did the king ask to the farmer? Answer. The farmer was plugging his field and the king asked to him that how much money do you earn daily? Question second. Describe the answer of the farmer's riddle. Answer. The farmer said with the first shilling he feed himself and his wife, so he eat the first shilling. With the second shilling he feed his children. When he grow old, his children will pay him back. In this way he lent his second shilling. With the third shilling he feed his old parents by looking after them. In this way he pay back the third shilling. With the fourth shilling he feed the poor without any profit. In this way he threw away the fourth shilling. Question third. How did the farmer solve the minister's problem? Answer. The farmer counted the coins and saw king's face 100 times, which bears on the coins. Question 4. Why did the king give the farmers another reward? Answer. The king was very pleased with the farmer's wisdom, so he gave him another reward. Exercise G. Arrange the following spelling correctly. यहाँ हमें मिस स्पेल्ड दी हैं मीनिंग्स, तो हमें स्पेलिंग्स को यहाँ करेक्ट करके लिखना है। जैसे फर्स्ट है हमारी शिलिंग, सेकंड अंडरस्टैंड, थर्ड प्लीज, फोर्थ 100। एक्सरसाइज आई, फ्रेम क्वेश्चन स्टार्टिंग with how many to which the underlined word in the following sentence are the answer। how many से हमें क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करना है और हमारा आंसर है जो अंडरलाइन वर्ड है वो हमारा आंसर है। तो आंसर हटाएंगे तभी तो क्वेश्चन लगेगा। तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, इस 30 को अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स को हटाना पड़ेगा और हाउ मैनी लगाना है। जैसे कि हम एग्जांपल 2 में देख सकते हैं, देयर आर 30 बॉयज़ इन ईच क्लास, इट इज़ द आंसर ऑफ। अब हमें इससे क्वेश्चन बनाना है। हाउ मैनी, सबसे स्टार्टिंग में हम क्या लगाएंगे, हाउ मैनी बॉयज़ आर देयर इन ईच क्लास। यहाँ से हमने 30 को हटा दिया। हाउ मैनी बॉयज़ आर देयर इन ईच क्लास, क्वेश्चन मार्क, बिकॉज ये आंसर था, ये हमारा क्वेश्चन बन गया। जे, रीअरेंज दीज वर्ड्स टू मेक क्वेश्चंस यू माइट आस्क समवन अबाउट समर वेकेशंस। अब हमें वर्ड्स दिए हैं बट मिस अरेंज हैं, इन्हें हमें करेक्टली अरेंज करना है और क्वेश्चन बनाना है। जैसे कि फर्स्ट आप देख सकते हैं, कम यू डिड बैक व्हेन, ये मिस अरेंज हैं वर्ड्स। देन हम इसको करेक्ट करेंगे, आंसर इज व्हेन यू डिड कम बैक, व्हेन यू डिड कम बैक। एक्सरसाइज के, मेक द इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस विद क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स। फर्स्ट, माई फादर इज ए डॉक्टर, हमें सिंपल सेंटेंस दिया है। इससे हमें क्वेश्चन बनाना है। तो व्हाट इज योर फादर, देन आप आंसर दोगे माई फादर इज ए डॉक्टर, तो इसका क्वेश्चन हुआ व्हाट इज योर फादर।